Now, when I talk about knee joint surgery, after the patient is admitted, 1 day prior to the surgery, we do all the tests in that 1 day so that the surgery is a safe surgery. The next day of the surgery, the patient is able to walk after 1 day of surgery. So you can put your full weight on both the legs after 1 day of surgery, and you are required to stay in the hospital for close to 4 to 5 days. After that, the discharge of the patient, our team at Doc Knee. So this is a concept or a protocol we have started in which Dr. Knee, or in short Doc Knee, will assist you from a pre-operative consult to admission and then the stay at the hospital. And after you are discharged, we will even take care of your home physiotherapy when our physiotherapist will visit you at home. They will visit you till the time you are totally up and about and are able to do your regular activities. Even at 2 to 3 weeks, our dresser will come home and help you with the dressing and removal of the stitches, and you will be required to come back to us only 1 month after the surgery when you are able to walk with a stick, which also will be taken off after 2 weeks of the first visit. So it's become a very balanced surgery, and one should not be afraid of getting into this surgery, because now a very well detailed protocol will ensure a very smooth journey for the patient from pre-operative to be able to walk unsupported 6 weeks after the surgery.